In 2024, AI deepfakes have the potential to cause major damage. In addition to deepfakes, we're going to talk about the absolute worst use case for artificial intelligence, and we're going to talk about what you can do to combat it and what to look out for. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Bring right into it, man. Election deepfakes and high-profile bankruptcies. Here is what AI will bring in 2024. As we know, in 2023, you've probably seen this image of Pope Francis in a puffer jacket, and photos like these essentially highlight the dangers of artificial intelligence. In this exact context, we can tell that this is fake. There was no reason why Pope Francis will be wearing a puffer jacket and a big chain. There's just no scenario where he would actually be wearing this, but there are more serious and malicious use cases of this technology, as you can see right here. Deepfakes are actually being used to confuse voters ahead of the 2024 elections in India, which is absolutely insane. Not only are citizens creating deepfake videos, but the political parties are actually using this as a form of propaganda, which is very, very dangerous. Fact-checking organizations are gearing up to try and verify and debunk deepfakes that may emerge. This will be challenging as more technology advances. Overall, deepfakes pose a threat of misleading information and undermining free and fair elections in 2024, which is absolutely insane, man. Disgusting that the different parties are actually using this technology. That's crazy, bro. Not even the citizens who are supporting their political cause, but the actual politicians are using deepfakes as a form of propaganda, which is crazy. Some ways to spot deepfakes are basically look for unnatural or jittery eye blinking, check for inconsistent skin tones or lighting in the face that does not match the environment, listen for an echo, static, or unnatural cadence in voice audio, be skeptical of any controversial videos or statements that align suspiciously well with an existing agenda or bias, and then use fact-checking sites and deepfake detection tools to analyze the media if you are unsure about its authenticity. When in doubt, do not share or react until you can confirm whether the media is a deepfake, no matter how realistic it looks. And so that leads us to our next topic. AI image generators are being trained on explicit photos of children. A study shows this is the absolute worst use case for artificial intelligence. No ifs, ands, or buts about it, man. Absolute L. This actually disgusting, man. Absolutely disgusting. Basically, man, without getting too much into it, there basically is a boom of AI-generated CP, which is going on the internet, man, on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, you name it. These people have essentially found a loophole by creating artificial intelligence images, so they basically can say, hey, this image is not real, it's created with virtual reality. As you can see here in this photo, man, this profile has a little girl in the profile that's AI generated, and most of their photos are AI generated photos of little kids. But if you click on the photo, they're very suggestive, and the description, the user is telling you, hey, click the Patreon to see the full uncensored photo, which is absolutely insane. So people are making money off of this, bro. Just like real life content creators do with OnlyFans, people are doing this with AI. Not only with AI, but with AI CP, which is just disgusting, bro. I have no other words. I have no words, man. Absolutely gross. But I did want to make this video to just basically bring awareness to it. So if you see an Instagram profile like the one on the screen that's similar, man, please make sure you report it, man. Make sure we put pressure on Instagram to get these profiles off the site, man. They're so quick to, take drugs off the site, which is great, but this is way worse than, a little dime bag of something. This is way worse than a little dime bag. Like, this is terrible. It should not be on the app. Please, see something like this, make sure you report it. Basically, man, users are using AI image generators which have absolutely no filter, and then they're uploading these photos for money, which is absolutely gross. Obviously, the large language models are trying to combat it by having regulations, but when there are regulations, people want to go to something that is unregulated, and it's not always for a malicious intent. Sometimes people just want to have an unregulated image generator, but obviously people are going to mess it up for everybody by doing disgusting things like this. Make sure you look for unnatural or jittery eye blinking, check for inconsistent skin tones and lighting, watch for oversimplified facial expressions, listen for any echoes, be skeptical of any wild or controversial videos or statements that align suspiciously well with existing agenda or bias. See if there are multiple versions of the same video circulating with different details, a sign of AI generation. And then always use fact-checking sites and deepfake detection tools. Without further ado, man, this is the Creative Clown family. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Turn this mic up. Getting back from the club. Hey. You and your friend came back from, hey, you and your friends came back from the club. I was tryna show a nigga love. I was upstairs tryna chill with the thugs. Hey, you and your friends came back from the club. I was breaking down green nugs. Shorty turned up, throwing up on the rug. I was tryna chill with the thugs. Ay, sprint her outside and it just pulled up. Ayy, tell the hoes let's cut. Niggas outside, but he got the gleek tucked. Ayy, finna throw my V's up. If a nigga want smoke, I'ma call J Boog. Ayy, like I wish a nigga would. Ayy, nigga moving mean and the name like Suge. Ayy, like a nigga wish he couldn't. I've been off the lean, so don't give me that look. Ayy, or she gon' get took. If he keep buying me, I'ma turn Captain Hook. Ayy, Brody said just let him off the hook.